Hello children, this is memory and its types part 2 video. In part 1 we already discussed about different types of memory and what is random access memory, static RAM and dynamic RAM. Hope you all watched that video. So today in part 2 video we are going to focus mainly about read-only memory. So we'll discuss about ROM. First, the expansion of ROM is read-only memory. ROM is a non-volatile memory. What is volatile memory and non-volatile memory? Its difference I explained in the previous video. So those who did not watch that video. Then only you can understand the terms what I used in this video. So ROM is a non-volatile memory. The capacity of ROM is comparatively smaller than random access memory. It's slower and cheaper than RAM. The data in ROM can be read by CPU. Only read by CPU. That's why it's called read-only memory. And ROM stores the instruction that the computer requires during bootstrapping. Bootstrapping means when the system will on, boot process will active. That time what are the instructions needed for the CPU? That all instructions. So ROM is a non-volatile memory and it's a read-only memory. But we have different types of read-only memories. These read-only memories the user can edit and rewrite. So we'll see what are the different types of read-only memories. First one is PROM, programmable read-only memory. In this memory, the user can modify the content inside the ROM only one time, only once by the user. That's why it's known as programmable read-only memory. One time if you edit the content, if you modify the content in the read-only memory, then that PROM is a read-only memory again. Again you can read, you can't edit the content inside the programmable read-only memory. Next is EPROM. E means erasable and programmable read-only memory. The content of this ROM can be erased using ultraviolet rays and the ROM can be reprogrammed. So in programmable read-only memory, only one time you can modify, the user can modify. Erasable programmable read-only memory, the content inside the read-only memory can be erased using ultraviolet rays and you can reprogram. Next is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So in EPROM we erase the content using ultraviolet rays. Here in EEPROM we can erase the content using electricity. That's why it's known as electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. It can be erased electrically and reprogrammed about 10,000 times. Here you can see one comparison table. Whatever contents or topic we discussed in part 1 and part 2 video about memory and its type, everything I am going to summarize using this comparison table. RAM, random access memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM is a read-write memory. ROM is a read-only memory basically. RAM used to store the data that has to be currently processed by CPU, but it's temporarily. ROM stores the instructions permanently required during bootstrap of the computer. Data in RAM can be modified. Data in ROM cannot be modified. RAM size from 64 MB to 16 GB, its capacity. ROM is comparatively smaller than RAM. Types of RAM are static RAM and dynamic RAM. Types of ROM, PROM, EPROM, EEPROM. RAM is a costlier memory. ROM is comparatively cheaper than random access memory. So full form of read-only memory, programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory.